My clients just put in an offer here in Nocatee with Riverside Homes with their brand new Liberty model. Let me show you why they picked this one. You're still here and you haven't liked and subscribed yet. Well, go ahead, like, subscribe, share with someone else who's thinking about moving to Nocatee because this may be the perfect floor plan for them. And if Nocatee is not their cup of tea, Riverside has multiple other locations that they're building in as well, and you could find your own lot and build it on there too. Keep watching. Now let me tell you a little bit about my friends who are building this model. Now they're from New Jersey and they met me on social media, just like you are right now. And they have one son and wanted to have enough room just in case another kid came along. Well, this Liberty floor plan gives them that option. They mainly wanted to make sure that they were on the same plan and floor as their kiddos. So you either had the option of a one-story, like a lot of these models right now, primary is downstairs, kiddos are upstairs, which for a certain age group, that's great. But while they're little, you want to remain on the same floor. So this floor plan gives them living downstairs. So you have your living room, your dining room, your kitchen, hosting, perfect. And then your life is upstairs. The mess can stay up there, right? Well, and then they have a guest suite that's up there as well with its own bathroom, which is amazing if they ever have any family come down, because you know they will, especially because they're out of state. Family is going to eventually move and gravitate here as well. But their primary bedroom looks absolutely beautiful, especially with all those windows really bringing in that natural light. But then also there's 2 kiddo rooms and a flex room. So it's going to be perfect where there's a kids play area upstairs. Doesn't have to make any of this look like it's been touched, because you know, we don't like to look like we live in our homes, right? But this floor plan just really worked for them because they were on the same floor as their kids. So then they could still have this oasis up there just to be a family, to come together, maybe for a game night or maybe be just having little snugs on the couch. If it's not upstairs, then it could be downstairs as well. Now, in regards to what neighborhood they picked, well, it was a toss-up because they like Reflections and they really like Seabrook Village as well. But they did end up finding the perfect lot next to the new park going in Seabrook Phase 2 on one of their 50-foot lots, where they will be able to have easy access not only to the park, but also to the mailboxes, which is a huge bonus, especially in these master plan communities. But they are so excited. They're set to be done in the fall. So right now you're looking at about 9 to 10 months with build, depending on, honestly, your own timeline. If you'd love to see this Liberty floor plan in person, call me up. Let's go see it together and I'll show you some of my favorite things about this floor plan because it's absolutely beautiful and it is brand new and now Riverside is offering it.